Welcome to Section 1, Introduction to LinkedIn for Sales Professionals. LinkedIn is a powerful tool that connects professionals worldwide. For businesses, it's more than just networking. It's a platform for growth. LinkedIn Sales Navigator takes this a step further by helping you find and engage leads effectively. This guide will help you start using Sales Navigator to its full potential. With advanced features that help target the right prospects, you can build relationships leading to increased sales. Whether you're new to LinkedIn or looking to enhance your sales strategy, this guide is tailored for you. Learn how to use Sales Navigator effectively and grow your business to new heights. This guide provides a clear path for maximizing your sales potential. Let's unlock the power of LinkedIn Sales Navigator together. Moving on to Section 2, Accessing Sales Navigator, a step-by-step guide. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Look for the work icon, which is located on the top right corner of your screen. Click the icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Sales Navigator from the menu, and you will be directed to the Sales Navigator page. If you don't have Sales Navigator yet, don't worry. You can easily start a free trial by clicking on the Start Your Free Trial button. Follow the prompts to set up your account. It's a simple process that allows you to experience the power of Sales Navigator firsthand. Once you're on the Sales Navigator page, you'll see various options. These tools are designed to help you succeed. Take some time to explore the interface and familiarize yourself with the layout. This will make navigating the platform much easier. Now, let's discuss Section 3, Choosing Your Sales Navigator Plan. LinkedIn offers different Sales Navigator plans, so choose the one that suits your needs. Each plan comes with unique features. Consider your budget and requirements. The professional plan is great for individual salespeople, while the team plan offers additional features perfect for collaborating with colleagues. If you need advanced features, consider the enterprise plan, which offers the most comprehensive set of tools. Take your time to evaluate each plan and choose the one that aligns with your goals. This ensures you get the most out of your investment. You're now ready to start setting up your Sales Navigator account. Setting up your account is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions and provide the necessary information. This includes your industry, company size, and job title. This information helps personalize your experience. You can also connect your CRM to Sales Navigator. This integration is valuable as it keeps your data in sync and allows you to track interactions with leads, providing a holistic view of your sales pipeline. Next, define your ideal customer profile. Specify your target audience, including demographics, job titles, and industries. This helps Sales Navigator deliver relevant leads, so you'll spend less time searching. To maximize your results, use Sales Navigator's advanced search filters. Refine your search based on keywords, titles, and locations. This helps identify the most promising prospects. Don't forget to save your searches for future use. Engage with your leads regularly by sending personalized messages and sharing relevant content. Building relationships takes time, so be patient and persistent. Your efforts will pay off. Take advantage of Sales Navigator's insights and recommendations. These features provide valuable information and help you understand your prospects better, so you can tailor your approach for better results. LinkedIn offers tutorials and resources. Use them to your advantage to learn new strategies and techniques. Continuous learning is key to success. Stay updated with the latest features and join LinkedIn groups relevant to your industry. Participate in discussions and share your expertise. This helps establish your credibility and can connect you with potential customers. Track your progress and measure your results. Analyze your performance metrics and identify areas for improvement. Sales Navigator provides data and analytics. Use them to optimize your sales process. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize LinkedIn Sales Navigator. You'll be well on your way to generating more leads, closing more deals, and achieving your sales goals. Remember, success on LinkedIn takes time and effort. Be consistent, stay engaged, and watch your network grow.